So this headlight here, you can see it's very foggy and it looks dirty, but it's not dirty. It's just like really destroyed. This is my Porsche Boxster that I bought from the salvage auction at the beginning of the year. And bit by bit, video by video, we are going to repair this car. In the previous videos, we have done the repair to the water leak or ingress into the footwell, the passenger seat. And since then, we have not had any issue. We have also repaired the door card leak. It was coming from over here. And we have repaired the window when it goes up and down, and it's all perfect. But on today's video, we are going to fix our ugly headlights, and we are going to do repairs to the plastic pieces and wires because they are completely damaged, and we're gonna upgrade them to the LED. Let's go back home on the driveway and show you how bad they look like. If I show you from far away, you can see this one, how it's not clear. This one is also not clear, but it's much better than this one here. So I'm gonna try to attempt to fix this one today, and I'm using this product. I've never used it before. This is actually first time, so my understanding that I need a drill with this kit, and also I need a bottle of water and some tape, and I don't know if it's gonna work or not. I think the best thing to do is just to start the job and see how it goes, really. So after we have prepared the headlight, the first step we need to do is, they call it removing defects, which I have attached the 800 abrasive disc to the backing plate, and I use medium pressure to sand the headlight, keeping the paper flat against the headlight using an even up-down, side-to-side motion. So now I'm going to be using the 1500 grit. So after removing the defect, now there's another step. It's called refining sanding marks, which I attached the 1500 abrasive disc to the backing plate, and I did the same thing what I did before, which is I walk over the headlight using the same medium pressure. So now I'm going to use the 2000. I continue with refining sanding, but this time I'm going to use 2000 abrasive foam to the backing plate, and I'm going to use a spray bottle to dampen the foam disc and the lens every now and then. I'm going to be using a medium pressure to sand the surface of the headlight using up and down, side to side motion. So now I'm going to attach the 3000. So I attached the 3000 abrasive foam to the backing plate. I used a spray bottle again to dampen the disc and the lens, and I use medium pressure, and again it's the same thing, up and down, side to side motion. So next, apparently put this pad here. So now I attach the white compounding foam to the backing plate. I apply a small amount of Headlight Restoration compound to the pad. Before turning the drill, I spread the compound across the surface of the lens. I hold the foam pad flat to the lens. I turn on the drill and buff the lens until a clear finish is achieved. Wow, and now look at the difference. They are almost the same, but I think this one now, if I show you from here, I don't know if the camera can pick it up, but it is yellow. Whereas from here, where we did it, look how nice and shiny it is. So much better. So with that in mind, I think the next thing to do is I need to repair the wires and the bracket underneath this. I need to fix this one. And listen, while we're at it, let's polish this one as well. So this process here is a little bit fiddly because a lot of these screws and nuts, bolts, and they're all rusty actually. So it took me a bit of time to take them out, and then I put the new one. I thought I had to change the cable, but actually I did not have to. It was just fine. There is a small yellow backing plate, I think it's called, or a clip that it goes in the back that holds the cable in place, because when I push the light back, if I don't have that clip correctly placed, it will push the cable back and it will fall inside the car rather than connecting to the headlight. So if you ever had the headlight not working properly, or after installing and the headlight wasn't working, it could be that the cable is not connected back properly, and that is basically what happened with me. So after I installed the new plate, I just made some adjustments, and I put the yellow backing plate or yellow clip, whatever it is called, yellow thing, I put it back to hold the cable, and it worked. Now I'm going to show you how I installed the LED light previously. So in the back I put an LED light. Let me show you. So that's how it looks like. Basically, I connect it to where the bulb used to be connected, okay? And then here, it's basically like this. I don't know if the camera can pick it up. It's like this. And basically, that would have to be turned. And it will come out. And then the clip will come out this way. And that goes here. So it's that simple. Okay, now the light, I'm not too sure if it should go up and down or left and right. I'm assuming it's left and right. But let me just take a look. So we're gonna put this one in here in the right position, like that, and then we would lock it like this, and then we would put this one here. Okay, so it goes like this, and then we turn it. So now it's time to fix the broken bit of the headlight. First, I remove the glue, and by the way, removing the tape on the other headlight, that was a bit difficult. It got really sticky on the bumper. But anyway, I managed to remove it using the same method of using, you know, the glue remover product, but basically use a microfiber with a glue remover, and I just removed all the glue. And now you can see me using a super glue to put the headlight, well, the broken bit back, but I didn't have enough super glue. So what's the next best thing? Using hot glue. I don't know if that was the right thing to do or not, but anyway, I managed to put hot glue, and it actually worked out really, really well. It's 100% working. I cannot believe that it worked. It looks super nice right now. I know you can see this a little bit here, but I'm gonna sort it out in a bit, I think. But now we're getting there. We just have to, I'm going to sand it just a little bit and then polish it. I'm just going to use the, this is the 2000. I'm gonna go 2000, 3000, and then the polishing compound. Massive difference. All the yellow's gone. It's all good. Wow, huge difference. I wanted to do this since the day they got the car, but you know what? I'm not 100% satisfied with it. I want to say it's 90% good. It's not 100%, it's 90%, yeah, I would say 90%. I think it needs more rough sanding here before, or on both sides, rough sanding before I go into polishing. But anyway, this is the product that I have, and this is what I got to do. And you know what? For what I have, I managed to get it sorted, and it's great. And no more tape here. It's all good. Perfect. But you know what? You don't see this. Let me show you in detail. There's a lot of polish everywhere here on the glass and on the car. There's a lot of residue here. I think we need to go to the car wash and give it a good wash. And then I'm going to tell you what we're going to do next on the next video. So just bear with me because I'm really excited for the next video. On the next video, I'm super excited because I want to take the bumper out because there's a lot of debris inside here, inside the grille, and I dropped some of the bolts in the bumper. So maybe let's take the bumper next week and fix the and clean all the debris here and the debris here. And I think there's something wrong with the condenser or the radiator here. We may have to replace the radiator. I'm not too sure. But with that in mind, listen guys, I am very grateful for each and every one who subscribed to our channel. Our channel is still small and we are growing the channel bit by bit. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to us to help us grow the channel, and comment on the job in the comments below. And with that in mind, I'll see you guys on the next one. Let's do more jobs. Bye bye. Yeah.